Are you struggling to manage your blood sugar levels? Today, we're making a delicious dish that can help. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, is packed with benefits. It may help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Let's dive into how to prepare this healthy Sri Lankan-style curry step by step. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need bitter gourd, onion, garlic, and spices. Don't forget coconut oil and a pinch of salt. Start by washing and slicing the bitter gourd thinly. Next, chop the onions and garlic finely. In a pan, heat coconut oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic. Sauté until golden brown. Now, toss in the sliced bitter gourd. Stir well to coat it. Season with turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Mix everything and cover the pan. Let it cook for 15–20 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Why is this dish so beneficial? Bitter gourd contains compounds that lower blood sugar. Research shows it may improve glucose metabolism effectively. Now let's look at a practical example. Imagine adding this dish to your meal plan. Pair it with brown rice or whole grain for balance. This combo can support your overall health and well-being. Plus, it's an easy dish to prepare weekly. Remember, moderation is key in all meals. If you're new to bitter gourd, start with small portions. Note how your body responds, adjusting as needed. In summary, bitter gourd curry is a great addition. It's packed with nutrients and is diabetes-friendly. Try making it this week for a healthy boost. Join our community for more recipes and tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can manage diabetes through great food choices. See you in the next video.